projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Transparent and Genuine Charity Applications Based on Blockchain. Introduction. The project's primary goal is to use blockchain technology to enhance transparency and build trust within charitable organizations. By doing so, it aims to address issues of opacity and accountability in the sector. In the traditional donation management system, the reliance on centralized systems and intermediaries result in limited transparency and accountability. This lack of transparency often leaves donors uncertain about how their contributions are utilized by charities. The project introduces transparency and trust by implementing smart contracts on the blockchain. These smart contracts automate the tracking of donations and the disbursement of funds based on predetermined conditions, significantly reducing administrative overhead and associated costs. Blockchain serves as an immutable and transparent ledger, ensuring that all donations and fund disbursements are permanently recorded and securely tracked. This transparency allows stakeholders to verify the integrity of the financial transactions. A key benefit of the project is the elimination of intermediaries. By using blockchain, donations can be directed straight to their intended recipients without the need for third-party intermediaries, ensuring that funds are utilized more efficiently. Objective. The project's foremost aim is to establish a transparent environment for charitable activities. It allows donors to have real-time visibility into their contributions, providing a clear view of how the donations are utilized within charitable organizations. To ensure donations reach their intended recipients and reduce the potential for mismanagement, the project employs blockchain technology, particularly smart contracts. These smart contracts automate the disbursements of funds based on predefined rules, enhancing the reliability and efficiency of fund allocation. By maintaining a verifiable and tamper-proof ledger of donations and their use, the project helps in rebuilding trust and confidence in charitable organizations. This addresses concerns related to the potential misuse of funds, ensuring accountability and authenticity. The project contributes to cost reduction within the charitable sector by eliminating administrative inefficiencies and intermediary costs. This means that a larger portion of the donations can be directly allocated to the actual charitable causes, maximizing the impact of contributions. Requirements. Hardware requirements of the project are processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 8GB and above, ROM of 25GB and above. Software requirements of the project are Node.js, Python 3.7.0 version, and Visual Studio Community version. Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is New User Sign Up. This module enables new users, including donors and potential participants, to create accounts within the charitable platform. Users would provide their information such as name, email, and password to sign up for the platform. User Login. After signing up, users can log into their accounts using their registered credentials. This module ensures secure access to their accounts and access to the platform's feature. Donate Here. This module facilitates the process of making donations to charitable organizations. Users can choose a cause, specify the donation amount, and complete the transaction securely. Blockchain technology would be employed to record and verify these transactions. View all donations. Users, both donors and participants, can use this module to see a transparent and detailed list of all donations made on the platform. It provides insights into where the contributions are going and helps build trust. Admin Login. This module is specifically for administrative users who manage and oversee the platform. Admins would log in with their credentials to access administrative functions and data. Get users' information. Within the admin panel, this module allows administrators to retrieve and view information about registered users. It can include users' profile, donation history, and other relevant data. View all donations. Similar to the user's view, this module within the admin panel provides a comprehensive list of all donations on the platform. Admins can use this to ensure transparency and accountability in their charitable activities. Blockchain integration. Blockchain, being immutable, serves as an unchangeable ledger that is publicly accessible. This attribute allows for the transparent recording and tracking of all donation transactions and how funds are used. It provides an unalterable historical record, enhancing trust and accountability. Blockchain's decentralized nature reduces the reliance on intermediaries in the donation process. This directly contributes to transparent fund allocation as transactions occur directly between donors and charitable organizations. The removal of intermediaries ensures that donations are allocated as intended, fostering accountability. Blockchain technology offers donors real-time visibility into the contributions. Every transaction detail is recorded on the blockchain, which donors can access and verify. This transparency enhances trust and confidence in the charitable process, as donors can independently confirm that their contributions are used as intended. Blockchain's inherent transparency allows donors to track the journey of the contributions in real time. From the moment of donation to the eventual beneficiary, the entire path of funds is visible to all participants. This visibility ensures that the donation process is open and that funds are being used appropriately. Ganache. Ganache, a development tool for Ethereum, structures data into blocks similar to how the Ethereum blockchain operates. Each block contains a collection of transactions, a reference to the previous block except for the initial Genesis block, and a timestamp indicating when the block was created. When developers interact with smart contracts in the development environment, Ganache records these interactions as transactions within the blocks. This means that any actions taken during development, such as deploying smart contracts or executing functions, are securely documented within the blocks. Ganache functionality extends to enabling developers to retrieve specific information from the stored blocks. This access allows developers to review and analyze the details of transactions, account balances, and other data within the blocks, facilitating testing and development processes. MetaMask. MetaMask is a browser extension and mobile wallet connecting users to Ethereum, allowing account management and DApp interaction. Ethereum's cryptocurrency, ETH, undergoes continuous price changes due to market forces including demand, speculation, utility, network activity, and global events, alongside investor sentiment and technical factors. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. This is the code folder. This is the contracts folder which consists of Solidity code. Solidity code handles data structures, functions, and events with modifiers for validation. This is static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspect of the application. This is the templates folder. Within this folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. To execute this project, we need to host the server. To host the server, open Ganache. So here we can see server is hosted. This is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double click on it to start the application. The Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address, the localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I am copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. If we are a new user, we need to register first. So click on New User Sign Up button to register. Here we need to enter all these details to register. So I'm entering the username and the password and the contact number, email ID, address. After entering all these details, click on Submit button. So here we can see sign up completed and details are saved in the blockchain. Now click on User Login to log in as the user. So here we need to enter the username and the password we have registered just now. And then click on Login button. We can see we have logged in successfully. Now click on Donate Here button to donate. So here we need to select the donation type. So here I am selecting the donation type as cash, and here we need to give a donation description. So I am giving the description as 80,000 for orphanage. For orphan children. Now click on Submit button. So here we can see donation details saved in blockchain. Now click on View Donations button to view the donations. So here we can see the donor name, which is True Projects 1, donation type is cash, and the donation amount is 80,000 for orphan children, and we can see the donation date and the time. Now log out. Now click on Admin Login button to log in as the administrator. Here we need to enter the username and the password of the admin. So I'm entering the password. After entering the credentials, click on Login button. We have logged in successfully as the admin. Now click on Get Users Information button to get the user's information. So here we can see we got the username and the password, phone number, email ID and the address of all the users who have donated the money. So here in the MetaMask, we can see the fluctuations of the ETH price with each transaction. And here in the Ganache, we can see that every transaction data is stored in form of blocks, and if we click on block number 9, we can see the block hash and the transaction hash, and if we click on transaction hash, we can see the transaction data, and here we have the sender address and the true contract address, and here we can see the gas consumed and the gas price, and here is the gas limit. Now click on admin screen to log in as the admin. Now click on View All Donations button to view the donations. So here we can see the donor name, donation type, donation amount and the donation date of all the donors who have donated the money. Conclusion: the project uses blockchain to improve transparency in charitable operations. All transactions are securely recorded on a blockchain ledger accessible to stakeholders. This level of transparency ensures that the flow of funds and activities are visible and accountable. The implementation of blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries in donations. This results in a more efficient process for transferring aid directly to charitable organizations. By bypassing traditional financial intermediaries, the process becomes faster and more cost effective. Blockchain's tamper-proof nature and verifiability help reduce fraudulent activities in the charity sector. It establishes a system where fund management is transparent and secure, ultimately rebuilding donor trust and confidence in the sector. The adoption of blockchain technology holds the potential to revolutionize the charity sector. It introduces accountability, efficiency, and increased confidence among donors and beneficiaries. This transformation benefits the sector in terms of trust and operational efficiency. The project's conclusion emphasizes the potential for blockchain to be widely adopted in the charity sector. It highlights the positive impact that blockchain can have in both the short-term and long-term, with a focus on fostering transparency, trust, and efficiency in charitable activities.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.